Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP. SLP is still moving under a downtrend line resistance, and as in my previous videos, I have been telling you that I am waiting for this resistance to be broken out for the next trade of SLP. And you can see whenever the price line is forming different resistance levels and breaking them out, we are having nice rallies. Like previously, we had this resistance that was from 1st of May to 22nd of June, and that was in fact a descending triangle. And after breaking out this triangle, we had a very nice pump that was approximately 289%. Then we had another move to the downside, and this was another very long channel to the downside. And we can see this was the resistance, and here we had the support of the previous channel. And after breaking out, we had another move to the downside, and this was the stop loss, because when the price line breaks out any channel, then the recent swing low can be used as a stop loss. Now here you can see that the price line formed a double bottom here at this stop loss, and then we had that was approximately 128% pump. Now again, SLP has formed another down channel like it formed previously. This is another very long down channel like here we had. And the price line is again dropped at the support. And we are also having this red line, the exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame, exactly moving at the resistance of this channel. Now this time, if the price line moves at the channel, at the resistance of the channel, then it will also have another resistance of the exponential moving average 21. And previously we had the same situation here. We had the exponential moving average 21 exactly at the same level where we had the channel. And here we also had the same situation. You can see when the price line was breaking out this triangle, this resistance, we also had the exponential moving average 21 there. So the price line, once will be able to break it out, then we can expect a next pump. But the real pump, the real big long-term rally, because these are a small pump, the 127% move, 289% move, that is not a big deal. I'm waiting for a move that can produce thousands of percent, like last year we had by the X. That was more than 6,000% move. And that move can be started when SLP will break out 6 cents resistance. That is a key resistance for SLP. On this chart, we can observe that this 6 cents has been working as a strongest support ever in the history of SLP. Here, we had a very nice bounce by the 6 cent support when we had this long spike to the downside in May 2021. And here we had some accumulation, and we had a move to the upside. And here it worked as a support. And it was a key support for SLP. Therefore, it is turned into a key resistance. And after breaking out this resistance, we have a very big distance. Like right now, we are moving at 1.8 cents, and this resistance is at 6 cents. So we need to start a big move from here up to this resistance and break it out. And I'm expecting that once it will be able to break it out, this resistance of the channel, that will be really, really nice opportunity to earn nice profit. Like it produced a profit here. It produced a profit more than 289% here. It can produce a rally like that. And I'm expecting that it can move up to here, at least up to this resistance that is approximately at 6 cents. That will be also a very big move. But if it will be able to break it out, then SLP has the potential to produce thousands of percent like last year we had by the X. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.